Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Learn English with Maryam. How are you today? I hope you are doing very well today. So, أهلا وسهلا بكم بقناتنا تعلم اللغة الإنجليزية مع مريم. اليوم درسنا راح يكون ممتع، راح يكون درس انتوا تحبوه هواية، حيكون هو عن التعابير أو السوشيال اكسبريشنز اللي نستخدمها بالحياة الاعتيادية في مواقف معينة. راح نتعلم الاكسبريشنز، المعاني والاستخدامات الخاصة. قبل ما نبدي درسنا don't forget to subscribe our channel on YouTube, like our Facebook page, follow our Instagram, فعلوا جرس الإشعارات على مود توصلكم notifications, share our videos with your friends and family so that they can learn as well. Okay, so are you ready to start? Let's start. أول expression راح نتعلمها لليوم هو congratulations. Congratulations يعني شنو؟ يعني مبروك. مثل ما نستخدمها بأي لغة، مبروك هي للأخبار السارة، الأخبار السعيدة، نستخدم كلمة congratulations. For example هنا أنا خليت لكم المثال اللي هو I got the job. I got the job يعني شنو؟ يعني حصلت على الوظيفة. I got the job. Oh, excellent. Congratulations. Okay, this is how we use this word, this expression. في بعض الأحيان ممكن نسمع كلمة congrats. Congrats, it's the same thing. معناها congratulations. إذا congratulations صعبة عليكم للنطق تقدرون تقولون congrats. Congrats, it's absolutely the same thing. Now, let's see the second expression which is go ahead. التعبير الثاني هو go ahead. Go ahead نستخدمه لما نجاوب على request. لما شخص يطلب من عندنا شيء ما نقدر نقول go ahead. For example, can I open the windows please? Of course, go ahead. انتبهتوا شلون نستخدم ال expression go ahead? Can I open the door please? Yes, why not? Go ahead. يعني تنطون ال permission للشخص للقيام بالطلب المعين. ثالث expression هو it's all right. It's all right يعني كل شيء على ما يرام. It's all right. For example, I am sorry I missed your call. I'm sorry I missed your call. Oh, it's all right. يعني لا تهتم بالموضوع. لا كل شيء على ما يرام. It's all right. Next we have don't mention it. Don't mention it. نستخدم هذا الإكسبريشن لما الشخص يقدم الشكر. مثلا for example, thank you for all your help or thank you for helping me. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. It's the same thing as saying you're welcome. على سبيل المثال, thank you. We can say you're welcome. We can say anytime. The expression of today, it is don't mention it. Next we have sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that نستخدمها لما نسمع الأخبار السيئة. Sorry to hear that. For example, I lost my mobile phone. I lost my mobile phone. Or I lost my keys. Oh, sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that كنا نستخدمها ويا الأخبار السيئة. الأخبار السعيدة on the other hand, it is glad to hear that. Glad to hear that. For example, I arrived home safely. I arrived home safely. Glad to hear that. I found my keys. Oh, I'm so glad to hear that. Okay, so far so good? I hope so. اليوم بدأ تتعلمون expressions that you can use every day. These are social expressions. Next expression, we have here you are. Here you are. For example, when can we use this expression? لما شخص يطلب شيء ما. For example, can you pass me the salt please? Can you pass me the salt please? Salt يعني الملح. Can you pass me the salt please? Here you are يعني شنو؟ يعني تفضل. Here you are. Can I have your pen please? Of course, here you are. Next we have yes, I'd love one. Yes, I'd love one. ال D in this case, it means would. يعني شنو؟ يعني yes, I would love one. For example, would you like a cup of tea? Yes, I'd love one. Then we have same to you. Same to you يعني لك أو لك أو لكم بالمثل. Same to you. For example, have a good day. Same to you. Enjoy your weekend. Thank you. Same to you. Okay? This is the end of our lesson. أتمنى تكونوا استمتعتوا بدرسنا لليوم وتعلمتوا expressions that you can use every day in any situation. إذا كان عندكم أي سؤال أو أي استفسار, you can write a comment. Subscribe our channel on YouTube, like our Facebook page, follow our Instagram, share this video with your friends and family on your Facebook accounts, anywhere, just share them. Okay? So, have a good day. I will see you soon.